Welcome to the 1-minute photography. In this video I will show you how to edit dark vintage filter using Lightroom Classic. Let's start editing. First go to the basic. Temperature +10. Tint -10. Exposure -1.02. -20 for contrast. And highlight to -80. Shadow +30. And white +10. -30 for blacks. And done. Now go to the presence. +20 for clarity and dehaze. Also vibrance +20. And saturation -20. Next go to the curve and follow these steps. Then go to the color mix and first go to the red. Saturation -20 for red. Then go to the orange. Hue -10. -20 for saturation. And luminance +20. Next go to the yellow. Hue -80. And -15 for saturation. Next bring to saturation -81 for green and aqua. Finally go to the blue. Hue -30. And -70 for saturation. And done. Next go the color grading tool. And first go to the highlights. Hue 100 and saturation 10. Then go to the shadow. Bring hue to 360. Finally make balance to +60. And done. Now go to the effects. -20 for vignetting. And midpoint 30. And done. Now you can save it as a preset and apply to your any photos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video. See you next time.